If you're interested in learning how to set up the electronic devices in your motorsport project to communicate via CAN bus, or wondering how valuable the data already being transmitted between the devices in your car can be, this course is going to be perfect for you. CAN bus communications seems pretty intimidating to many people, but the reality is that using it in your project will result in a simplified, easier to understand system overall. Finding reliable information on how CAN bus systems are used in the performance automotive world can be very tricky. This CAN bus communication course cuts through the confusion and teaches you about the system from a low level, allowing you to approach the configuration of any device that uses CAN. You'll learn why CAN is so widely used and the massive benefits it offers in both wiring simplicity and overall system flexibility. You'll learn about the common tools used in interfacing with existing CAN bus systems, how to get the data from the network onto your laptop, and then how to interpret this data to tease out the important information that it contains. You'll learn how to plan and construct the CAN bus wiring, why it's constructed like it is, and how this ensures your devices will communicate reliably at the highest speeds. There's no standardized process among manufacturers for setting up CAN devices to communicate, so we ensure that you have a good overall understanding of the CAN protocol that will help you navigate through the processes, getting your system working flawlessly. We tie all this knowledge together with several practical demonstrations of working with CAN systems and show you two simple 5-step processes to follow to either construct your own CAN system or reverse engineer data from an existing system. We then show these processes in detail being put into practice on real projects. We'll show you the real-world considerations, the pitfalls to avoid, and how robust and satisfying the final outcome is. This course starts with the very basics of the CAN protocol, and once they're solidified, introduces more advanced topics. So if you're completely new to CAN, this is the course for you. If you'd like to find out more about this course, click the link.